Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Golden Rabbit, and thanks for tuning in on today's episode. Anyways, I wanted to make this video for I would say about a month or so, but I'm releasing this video now. But anyways, this video is all about time. It's one thing you can never get back. And we're starting off this new year, guys. It's 2025. The year behind us has passed, 2024. And every day we're just trying to get somewhere, somewhere in life, so we could be more successful, so we can be more productive, we can just have a better life overall. But anyways, this video is all about time. It's one thing you can never get back, no matter how old you are, no matter how young you are, no matter how rich or poor you are. Time goes by, and we only got 24 hours in a day. And if we don't use our time wisely, then it'll just vanish. So I want to tell you guys, I'm going to be making videos every single day to show you a little bit about this Minecraft world and this Minecraft life. And I believe that everyone in this world has to go to a magical place because, it's just magical. It could be maybe you after work going to the gym and working out. That could be your magical place. Maybe it could be Disney World. After work you go to Disney. It could be you going to the beach. Just pick a magical place in this world. It can be trapped in a video game, just somewhere that makes you happy. Because in the end, all we have is time, guys. And you need to do something that you like to do in your time. You can't just always be thinking about the worst situation. But anyways, guys, it's a new year. Let's make 2025 our year, guys. I'm gonna be posting every single day, and I'm gonna try to make the best videos I can. And I just want to tell you one thing. If one thing I regret from the last year, that was time. I wish I used my time more wisely. I wish I was creating more videos for you guys. I wish I was just, living life a little more. But anyways, time you can never buy, time you can never get back. All the moments you have with your friends and family, cherish them because, time is just it's something crazy. Something that just ticks by. It's just a clock on the wall, clicking by. But guys, this video is just more for you guys just to know that your time is precious and use it wisely while you can. Peace out, guys, and stay tuned for the new upcoming video.